What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a brand new slime video for you, and I am super excited because today I'm going to be doing a part 2 to the mini slime DIY challenge. The other day I was actually at the Dollar Tree for the Dollar Tree slime challenge, and I saw these like mini bottles of glue. They're like glue pens almost from Elmer's, and they're regular Elmer's school glue, so I was like, you know what? We're going to go ahead and do another mini slime DIY. However, we're only going to use these little pens as the glue base, so we'll see. They're so tiny and I'm really excited. If you're excited for the video as well, don't forget to give it a big slimy thumbs up for me. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel to become a unicorn. Here are the Unicorn fam shoutouts for today. Thank you all so much for being here. You all are A1 since day one. I love y'all so much. If you would like a shout out in one of my videos, make sure you comment down below #UnicornFam, and also make sure you are subscribed. Another reason that I'm super excited for this video is because it's actually part of a collab with a whole bunch of my friends. So joining me in the collab today we have Abraham from DIYs by Abraham, Nichole from Nichole Jacqueline, Jam from Jamela Navalua, and my boy Peter from Peter Bread. I love them so much. Make sure that after this video you go ahead and check out my description box because all of their links will be down there. Go check out their videos, go subscribe to their channel, go let them know that I sent you, and that is pretty much it. So let's get started, shall we? Alrighty, so like I said, we are going to be using these glue pens here that I got at the Dollar Tree. I actually found them in the checkout area, so if you're there, it's probably going to be there for you as well. These here are less than ½ an ounce each, so it's going to be very, very interesting. I'm not too sure how much slime is going to come out of this, but that is what this challenge is for. We have to make the most out of what we got, so we're going to be using these glue pens today. Like I said, they are legit less than ½ an ounce, so I'm a little bit shook, but I'm pretty sure we're going to be able to squeeze a lot of them out because the tube itself is actually very thin, so let's just try it out. So I want to go ahead and start off by making a cream cheese slime. So I'm going to go ahead and empty out the glue here into this container. It's a very, very small container. It's about 4 ounces. So you can tell that, you know, it's not really much slime that we're going to end up with, but it's totally fine. This is mini slime challenge, so it's expected. So I just emptied out all of the glue in there. Next, we're going to go ahead and we're just going to add a little bit of this mango scent that I got from P&J Trading. I'm just adding a little bit because it's such a small amount of glue. It's not going to make that much slime, so we don't want to like over scent it. Then I'm also going to dye this green. I was going for like a tropic kind of vibe, so I wanted it to be green and smell like something tropical, you know. So now it's time to add in the most important ingredient when making a cream cheese slime, and that is the cornstarch. This is going to make it super, super thick. I definitely would say that I added a little bit more than I thought, and that's just because I don't know my own strength sometimes, and I'm a little heavy-handed, and I'm sorry about that, but I think it still ended up okay. As you can see here, it definitely looks more like a dough than like a slime batter. I don't know, for me, I was personally freaking out because I've never personally made like a slime out of like a batter or like you know, just like a consistency this thick has never produced a slime for me, so I was a little bit shook. But then I went ahead and I added in my activator. I was just like, YOLO, let's try it, let's just see what happens. So I added in the activator just to see what would happen. This is just a normal borax solution with borax and water, and I just added it in a little bit at a time, stirring after every time that I added in until I got my slime here, and it actually produced a very nice thick cream cheese slime, and I love it so much. I probably would do it like that again, to be honest. Alrighty, next up we're going to make a crunchy floam. This one's going to be really cool, so we're going to start off by emptying some glue into the container. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add in some food coloring. I was trying really, really hard to not add too much. However, you know, just 1 drop of food coloring goes a long way. And since there's not that much glue, it's definitely darker than I wanted it to be. I wanted it to be like a lavenderish color. So I just mix that in, and then we're going to go ahead and add some scent to this as well. I'm actually going to be using a lavender scent because this was supposed to be a lavender slime. I wanted it to be very pastel, however, that did not work out. So I'm using a lavender scent by P&J Trading as well, just because it's like mini version, so I thought it would be cute to use in the video. So I'm mixing that all together, and then we're going to go ahead and activate it using the same borax solution, just borax and water, adding in a little bit at a time, stirring after every time that we add it in, then take it out and knead it once it is done, and then you can go ahead and add in whatever you'd like. So I'm going to go ahead and add in some small pink foam beads. I was going to add in some large ones, however, it was going to be way too large. So I just decided to do the small ones after all, since this is a mini challenge after all. We're just going to go ahead and knead those in, and it's going to give us a really nice crunchy floam. Next up, we are going to go ahead and make a mini cloud cream. So to do this, we're going to take our container and we're going to add in one glue pen, just like we've done for the previous ones. Next up, we're going to go ahead and add in our coloring. This is actually an orange slime coloring from Maddie Ray's Slime Company. She actually has coloring specifically for slime, and they're very pigmented too, so I would definitely go ahead and check those out. I'm going to add in a little bit of that, and then I also added in a little bit of peaches and cream scent from the place called Pop Oils, and it's actually really, really good. I've never tried them before, but it is also a mini one, so I wanted to try it out in this video. Next, to go ahead and thicken our cloud cream and give it some body, I like to add some cornstarch. I'm not sure if everybody does that for their cloud creams, but I do it to mine, and I've gotten awesome feedback from my cloud creams, so I would just go with that. If you don't know how to make a cloud cream, just try it this way. You might like it. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add in a couple pinches of the fake snow. This is just instant snow powder, and I'm going to go ahead and mix that together. Now, I did realize that I did not put enough fake snow in there, so I went ahead and I went back in with some more fake snow, just added a couple more pinches, and then I totally overdid it and I added way too much. So, you know, it's a mini thing, y'all. Like, I can't get over it. Sometimes I mess up. I'm so sorry. At this point off camera, I was totally freaking out and I wasn't thinking that this was going to work, but I still went ahead and I activated it anyways just to kind of see what kind of texture it was going to give me. However, it was just way too much fake snow in here, so what I did was, while I was freaking out, I took it over to the sink and I actually ran it under hot water. As you can see, that is all of like the fake snow that was left over. There was so much fake snow on the slime itself, but when I ran it under water, all the fake snow actually absorbed into the slime and it created a really nice cloud cream actually. So I was actually very shook at that time. So, you know, there is hope. Now, it isn't a mini slime challenge unless I do a mini slime smoothie of all the slimes afterwards, so enjoy this little miniature slime smoothie. Alrighty, y'all, well that is pretty much it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed part 2 to this mini slime DIY challenge. If you did, make sure you give it a big slimy thumbs up for me. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel to become a unicorn. Come join the fam if you haven't already. We would love to have you. We welcome new members every single day. It's all good. Also, y'all, don't forget that this video was part of a huge collab, so make sure you check out all of my friends' videos. It will be linked down in the description box below. Go let them know that I sent you. Go subscribe to them. I love them so much, and it's so awesome to have friends like them in the community. It's great. I love them. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you all very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!